now the good news is the paramedic have arrived in time, or maybe almost on time for Kwaito. But the bad news is we don't know as yet if they were able to get Utibosi and Braboiki and Clinton as well. But Kwaito decided to start walking and left his brother behind. He said, "Let me go and look for water. I can smell there's water somewhere close by. Let me go and check. And if I find water, I'm gonna get back to you." So obviously I'm thinking he was gonna get water, but he doesn't have anything. Ya go kga metsi, ha ke itse gore na tlo tshwara metsi ka eng, or na tlo anwa, or na o lebella fela and then ibi o gotlela morao a mmolelle gore go na le metsi. Ha ke itse gore na tlo ipereka bjang, mara yena o itse ke ya gutla. O ska ba robala e re ke o checka gore ka se kry metsinyana bjang, because now remember Tibo said gore yena his intestines are boiling each other because mole go a fisha letsatsi la fisha. And apart from that, remember ha gona dijo, ha gona metsi for days. So now everything o kare e shut down ka mo hara mmele wa hae, and the damage seems to be a bit intense because remember utswa madi motho. So day by day that goes by with no medical attention, ngathi isimo sizoba bucayi kancane for uThibos. I don't know as yet, but ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Skim Sam. Ndimadekwana, sanbonan, abshin molweni minjani, hipukile hingo ngwina. So namuhla ka nongokwa hina wa Skim Sam hikuma koroslo semsekange kahle. Looking at the fact that Kwaito, he is hardening his heart. He is saying that we do not have capacity to help Ubraboigi. Why? And I think his reasons are fair, but it's just that it's unfair condition at this point. Braboiki ulumileki noha on the previous episode. So now he tried walking. As he tried walking, then Akrea Kwaito li Tibos. Now Tibos wa butisa hore kani mona uhirahalanga wena, I don't know, gilumileki noha. So therefore he's struggling, he's got some wound, lady poison ingi more. Now Kwaito arwetse king ratsamaya rishia muna omo. Ibile haranya ku bona le stupu sa hae. So Tibos was surprised and shocked for how since when we no na le pilu e maswe, since when na le pilu e botlhoko so like ha re itse o le motho o moso, so go irahalang ka wena he how tlo re he ha o nyako go nna ha feel stup. So now Kwaito says this man is a very horrible man to start with. The second thing, this man took my phone and my king ha ke tsentwele ha, I think ke what do you call that thing ya go charge a phone, yeah, yona ed. So he wanted to run away and call for help for himself and leave the rest of us more. So with that, I don't think gore wa deserve gore rena re ka pa re tshunya re nyako go mothusa re mothusa ka mabaka mafe motloheleng a no nna mo a le so a be skepsele a le so re motlohele. So Timos was like, but I never thought of you having a bad heart like that, but hey, if you saying ra tsamaya wan see o ka se se re nna ke tsamaye le wena sharp. So now after that, back at home, Clement, he's just, I think right now with a given circumstance, Clement is annoying me because how dare you focus on your shenanigans instead of focus or maybe that thing how we says we every day how sa khona go te control ne, because like o tshwantse o does not matter gore go shwa mang go irahalang o tshwantse gore o no phela o because right now tell me why a ja diritibatse ka nako e leng gore o tshwantse a be a le busy a nagana his mind is supposed to be clear on par gore Kwaito le Thibosi ba ko kae. He should supposed to be assisting ka monagano gore what can they do as a family. Yena o tailwe at this time. Mantule a re lalela, if you don't come downstairs and pray with us bona ke tlo make sure gore ke o irele history. And worst of all, kasane re kerekeng and wena o tla tlhapa and o apare school o apare yaka motho o yang kerekeng, because otherwise re tla ba le mathata boysing. And then he said yes, and then he said but then going downstairs to pray he won't be helpful because udzagiwe. And then ngiyawabona amabhodlela ngathi 4 or 5 amabhodlela wewine. Guys, that's not true. How do you drink wine amabhodlela awu 5 kanjani? No, there's no way. Anyway, on the other hand again, Pretty was so hurt. She was so hurt that uma wakhe knew that Kwaito was not Habakere Kwaito. And then why it's halanga plane. But not even one person decided to call her. And then Iena, she gets to get this information in Gamupiro wa Gondo. And she's like, but how does it happen? Hore, litsi hore kwaito ulatlehile and azange la mfonela nna ke utlwa ka Francois. Nahana utlwa hore kgaitsedi ya hao it's somewhere in the dungeon or wherever, and then you get to hear this not only from a radio but from someone who you least expect. So she was so upset, and then she wanted to come home. As they were sitting there in the restaurant, then go fitla Khosi le girlfriend ya hae Kwezi guys, and then Kwezi Khosi said he bought a flight so from a security company, or is it for a security company, I don't know what is it for. Then he is suggesting or maybe they can assist in helping. And then pata pata, I don't know what happened there. Honestly, I think I missed something because he says that he wanted to help, and then Pretty was excited. Oh, okay, you're gonna help us. Then while Pretty was on the phone, on the other hand, and then it was just Lehasa, Kwezi, and Nkosi. Then Nkosi says, looking for these people in that kind of a setup, it's like looking for sugar akitsiko guy. So it's not possible. It's just a wasteful exercise. That's not gonna. Anyway. But why did you promise in the first place? King and Onyaka spotlight. Or am I the one that missed something? I don't know. But hey, now Lehasa felt bad. Felt bad. Okay, the hope that he had is like now he's not going to have it anymore. And it's like there's no one who's coming to rescue you anymore. So now on the other hand, hey, Elizabeth Ariana, she's not going to eat until she sees her husband. Now this gets very dangerous because remember, mutowi mi le batong. So gora gore bianong re tshwantse re latlhegelwe ka batho ba i3. Well, God forbid, but I'm just saying, gore ke Lizzy le ngwana hae e be le Kwaito hape. Njani ka look, at least somebody needs to eat to be stronger for those that are not strong. I just did not understand the concept there. But hey, I think it's coming from a heart ya di hormones and also mienwa ke kanene. You know what I mean? Okay, this is not a funny subject. But again, anyway, going back to the deserts, now the two brothers decided to go, and then haba fitla mole Kwaito ashua tlhatsa o tlhatsa madi o ba dirme kare wa tlhaka na ke tse gore ne o iragalang mole motho kopa kopana, and then the next thing boom, fast on the floor. Hi bo, wenzakalani? Bese ama paramedics ayafika, and I'm like, thank God, help is here.